these students with an open mind. I taught them how to believe in themselves by mastering a specific talent. What talent did I teach these little children?
Dolphin noises.
Dolphin noises! A very trendy talent. Some men are fit for driving. Some men are fit for golfing. But there's one thing for which you should be striving, and that's to make the sounds of a dolphin.